Grammarly is a well-known tool for students writing essays, research papers, and other academic assignments. It's also popular among bloggers because it catches many native English speakers' mistakes when writing quickly. Grammarly helps users avoid embarrassing errors in their work by providing grammar checking, spelling correction, punctuation fixes, word choice suggestions, sentence structure analysis, and more. In this article, you'll find out if Grammarly is worth it for students at all levels, from high school to college and beyond. What does Grammarly do? Grammarly is an online grammar checking tool that helps you write better by identifying and correcting mistakes in your writing. It's like having a personal editor by your side, catching errors that you might have missed. Grammarly also offers a plagiarism checker to help you ensure that your writing is original. Plus, it provides a word counter to keep you on target for writing the perfect post. You can use Grammarly online in your browser or download it as an extension for Google Chrome, Microsoft Word, Apple Pages, etc. Grammar and punctuation. Grammar and punctuation can be tricky, but you can rest assured that your writing will be mistake-free with Grammarly by your side. Grammarly is a grammar and punctuation checker that helps you write better by catching mistakes in your writing and suggesting corrections. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to improve their writing skills. Grammarly can help you with everything from basic grammar rules to more complex comma usage and subject-verb agreement issues. It also catches common punctuation mistakes, such as the incorrect use of commas and periods. Readability. Grammarly can help students with the readability of their essays. An essay's readability is how easy it is to read and understand. Several factors can affect the readability of a paper, including the length of the sentence, the use of difficult words, and the number of syllables in a word. Grammarly can help students improve the readability of their essays by identifying sentences that are too long and suggesting ways to break them into two sentences, identifying the use of difficult words in essay writing, including those with multiple syllables or polysyllabic verbs, offering suggestions for how more complex terms can be clarified without losing meaning, helping students identify and fix run-on sentences that do not have a subject or predicate. Grammarly can also help with readability by identifying passive voice in writing and adverbs that are not needed to maintain meaning. This is important for most writers since using these techniques will improve their readability scores. Spell check. Spell check is the most important thing that Grammarly does. When you are writing, it underlines words and phrases in red that may have been misspelled. If you hover over the word or phrase, it will show you the correct spelling. This is very helpful when you are proofreading your work. Another great thing about spell check is that Grammarly checks for typos as well. For example, if you type "tay" instead of the Grammarly will underline it in red and tell you that it is not a word. This can help you catch mistakes and make sure your writing looks polished. There is also a setting that automatically corrects commonly misspelled words for you. One final thing to note about spell check is that Grammarly includes a dictionary. This means that if you are not sure how to spell a word, you can look it up and Grammarly will show you the correct spelling. So, these are some ways that spell check helps students improve their writing. Spell check is an essential tool to help you catch mistakes and make your writing look polished. Make sure to use it when you are proofreading. Writing Assistant. Your personal writing assistant is one of the main functions of Grammarly. It helps you improve your writing by detecting grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style mistakes. You can also use it to improve vocabulary and sentence structure. The Writing Assistant is available in the online editor and the Microsoft Office Edit. It will help you to improve your writing while you type. You can also use it to check your work after you have finished writing. Grammarly can be used with many different types of text, including essays, reports, emails, and social media posts. Writing style. Your writing style is something that is often overlooked when it comes to writing. However, it is one of the most important aspects of writing. A good writing style can make your paper or essay sound more professional and polished. Grammarly is a great tool that can help you improve your writing style. It checks for grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, and even helps you add more powerful words to your writing. You can set the mood you're trying to achieve with your writing. You can have it check for passive voice or even just read over your paper and help you see where to add more powerful words. There are many ways that Grammarly helps students with writing style. It's a great tool to use when writing something professional that also sounds good. For example, if you're creating an online resume or a cover letter for a job, Grammarly can help you make sure that your writing style shines through. Grammarly is also great for students working on their essays. It can help you polish up your work and make it sound more polished and professional. How Grammarly helps high school students. Grammarly is a great tool to help high school students with their writing. The most obvious benefit of using Grammarly is the spelling check feature, which checks for typos and misspelled words in any document you write on your computer or mobile device. In addition to this basic function, Grammarly provides suggestions for ways to improve your writing, such as recommending you use the Oxford comma in a list and giving advice about what words to avoid. Grammarly also provides helpful suggestions on shortening sentences to be more concise and easier to read. Grammarly can also help students learn new vocabulary by highlighting unfamiliar words in their text while giving a definition. Grammarly also has other features beneficial to high school students, such as the plagiarism checker, which ensures your essay is unique and free of any copied content. The Grammarly extension for Chrome makes it easy to use this tool while writing in Google Docs or Word, so you don't have to worry about mistakes slipping through the cracks. Overall, Grammarly is an excellent tool for high school students that can help them improve their writing skills in various ways. Using Grammarly can help students produce essays that are free of errors and look more polished, giving them an edge when applying to colleges or scholarships. Grammarly makes sure that your grammar is perfect for focusing on the content of your essay. It also helps to ensure that your vocabulary is appropriate for your audience and purpose. Grammarly catches errors that a human would miss, which can help you avoid embarrassing mistakes. How Grammarly helps college students. Grammarly is a great tool that can help college students with their writing. Here are some of the ways that Grammarly can help. Grammarly checks for grammar mistakes and provides corrections. Grammarly helps to ensure that your writing is clear and concise. Grammarly can help you improve your vocabulary. Grammarly can identify plagiarism in your writing. Grammarly can help you to better structure your writing. Grammarly makes sure that your grammar is perfect for focusing on the content of your essay. It also helps to ensure that your vocabulary is appropriate for your audience and purpose. Grammarly catches errors that a human would miss, which can help you avoid embarrassing mistakes. You can also improve your readability score, sentence structure, and more. Grammarly is available as a web app, desktop app, Chrome extension, and mobile app. You can use it on any device you want to write on. It's an excellent tool for college students that want to improve their writing skills. Grammarly not only checks your grammar, but also helps you improve your writing. How I use Grammarly in college. I used Grammarly extensively in college. I would use the online grammar checker to ensure that my writing was free of errors in my papers. Not only did this help me improve my writing skills, but it also helped me avoid getting penalized for poor grammar. In addition, I found the spell checker to be very helpful in ensuring that all of my words were spelled correctly. Overall, I found Grammarly an invaluable tool in my academic career. Since then, I have continued to use Grammarly as a professional writer. I now rely on the grammar checker to help me produce high-quality content for my clients. The software has never let me down, and I am confident that it can help you improve your writing as well. All you have to do is click on the Grammarly icon, and it will run an automatic scan of your document, just like a spell checker or any other grammar enhancement tool in word processors. It can also work with Facebook posts, emails, tweets, and anything else that can be posted online nowadays. Go ahead and try it out for yourself and see how much of a difference it can make in your grades. It is not just about fixing errors, but also giving you feedback on why your grammar might be incorrect and suggestions on how to improve your writing skills. So if you are looking for an edge in the competitive academic world, then Grammarly is the tool for you. The best part is that it is free to use, although they do offer a premium version with more features if you want them. But the basic version should be more than enough for most students. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and see how your grades improve. FAQ. Here are a few frequently asked questions about Grammarly. How does it work? Grammarly is a cloud-based program that you can access from any computer in the world. This means that it will check your writing for grammar and spelling mistakes, no matter what device or application you are using. It also has an autocorrect option to help you avoid common typing mistakes. Is it free? Yes, Grammarly is free to use for both personal and commercial purposes. However, a few features are only available in the paid version. Is Grammarly worth it for college students? This depends on what kind of student you are. If you want to avoid getting penalized for poor grammar, it is worth the investment. The software will help you improve your writing skills and ensure that your papers are well formatted before submission. If you're in a major that writes a lot, or if English isn't your first language, it's definitely worth using. I've used the premium version for years now, and it's drastically improved my writing. Is Grammarly the best plagiarism checker for students? No, there are a few plagiarism checkers that are better than Grammarly. However, the software has a plagiarism detection feature that can help you identify potential plagiarism sources in your work. Is there a free Grammarly account for students? Yes, there is a free Grammarly account for students that includes all of the basic features of the software. However, you will need to upgrade to the paid version if you want access to all features. Is there a student discount for Grammarly? No, there is no student discount for the premium version of Grammarly. However, you can get a whopping 34% off when purchasing an annual subscription to their software package.